you already became a VC, right? Now you worked on and living that life. So I think it would be quite interesting for other viewers to know, when somebody who are aiming to become a VC, what will be the life look like in day-to-day basis? So what are the, let's say, top 3 things you really focus as a VC in day-to-day basis?
So I think the top 3 things I generally focus on, let's say on a weekly basis, right?
Okay.
So I would spend maybe half my time just working with portfolio companies, and by that I mean the 6 and the 7 skill, learning the financial stuff, learning the operational stuff. So always be learning. So like half the time would be to learn stuff. Whatever is required to help the company out, then I would learn it. Then the other 20% of the time would be, again, go out there looking for deals. So, be open-minded, be networking, that sort of thing. And the other 30% is just, doing deals, which means going through all the detail, digging into the due diligence items, researching what companies that we are interacting with. And so I guess like 50, 20, 30 in that order.
Like a lot of people talked about it, that VC spend a lot of time reading the financial reports. How do you think about it? Do you spend time on that?
Not really.
Why?
Because one thing that I always try to do is to help portfolio companies present their financial numbers in an easy way to understand, which means that when they do have a financial report for, let's say, for the board of directors or for the shareholders meeting, then one company that I used to do this with is, before every board meeting, I would ask them to send me their financial report. Then I would run through them first. If I understand it well, then let it go. If I don't understand it at all, then it's bad. And then I book another meeting with them. We run through every number line by line until I understand what they're talking about. At each point, I would make sure that my boss, who's the fund partner, would understand what they're talking about. Or if they don't, or if the report is like maybe 56% there, then we would book a short meeting, just run through it, and just make sure that there's anything that was misunderstood. So in retrospect, that activity really helped, because the company get better at reporting, and I save my time not having to explain everything again to my boss. So it's a win-win. So I think in that sense, I didn't spend a lot of time reading to financials at all, because I did spend time helping them prepare financials in the best way possible.
Interesting.
And then I can spend more time doing other stuff, like operational stuff, which is, I think, more important.